No justice! No peace!
What up?
What up?
I mean, I want to take a moment because I've been asked to do a tribute to Sandra Bland.
Okay.
Yes. This is sacred.
Come on.
We're not just out here protesting, disrupting business. We are honoring a life that was taken. I want y'all to understand that. I want y'all to feel that. At 1DC, we believe in and trust in the leadership of Black women. I'm going to say that again. We believe in and we trust Black women's leadership. And Sandra Bland was a Black leader, Black woman leader like myself. I mean, Sandra Bland could have been me. It could have been any Black woman out here tonight. Black women who care. Black women who take care of their communities. Black women who sacrifice.
All right, Mary Beth.
Black women who are unafraid to take risks.
Yes.
Black women who put everyone else before themselves. Black women.
Ashe.
When I was asked to do this, I didn't think myself worthy. This is heavy. This is heavy stuff. Black women are 3 to 4 times more likely to be brutalized by the police than white women.
Amen.
Not only is our labor invisibilized, we are ignored when we face violence. When we try to demand for justice, we get bullshit investigations, closed testimonies. Our family members are locked out of the process, and we get non-indictments. This is the reality. This is our reality as Black women.
Right.
So we are talking about a system. The whole damn system is guilty as hell.
Come on.
Hello.
Yes. Say it again.
There is no justice for us in this current system. So we're not just protesting, we are demanding a new world.
All right.
And a new world means, I want y'all to hear me, a new world means defunding, organizing, and dismantling the police.
Come on.
It means defunding, disorganizing, and dismantling the police. And that is the only time we will get justice. So when we protest for this new world, we will say her name.
Come on.
Sandra Bland,